Are you tired of washing your hair every day? Do you wish you could hit the snooze button just one more time, or two, or three? Well, girl, now you can with the revolutionary Hair Pony Dry. All you gotta do is take this horn-shaped fabric that is waterproof and shove it on your ponytail like a condom. Snap it tight, easy as can be. You're protected from water. No more days of arguing with your blow dryer, it pissing you off and not drying your hair fast enough. Oh my God, I can't even brush my hair on the second day. So now all I have to do is use the Pony Hair Dry, and life is magic. Good morning to you all, and hello guys, welcome to today's video. I have just rolled out of bed, which is kind of weird because I'm wearing a bikini. We're gonna explain, I promise, but I look like a big old giant mess. This is the dramatic before. I was gonna say like Monday, Sunday, Monday. It's not, it's neither of those. This is how I look when I wake up day. I have day 3 hair. Like, this is disgusting actually, but I have a really cool item in front of me called the Pony Dry. And this is supposed to help you shortcut washing your hair. So we're gonna take a little bit of a field trip into my shower, hence the bikini, because I don't wanna show nudity. Man, this is like the sad before. I should just hurry up so I'm not sitting here looking like this on my channel in front of all of you. So here's the scoop, you guys. This looks super cool. I have had this for a while now. It's one of those things that I ordered, I think off of Instagram or Amazon or somewhere, that I was like, ooh, wow, if that works, so cool, awesome. This says that it cuts shower time, prevents hair damage, reduces blow drying. So you get one waterproof hair sleeve, and I guess you're supposed to put your hair in a ponytail and like in a bun, and then you cover it with this. You're supposed to be able to shower and not get the ends wet. I'm into it. But basically, like, my hair, honestly, like by day two, it can look pretty like not good. I will sometimes read comments on like my freshly washed hair, and some people are like, wash your hair, and I'm like, I just did, you jerk. I don't know, I just have the kind of hair that can look greasy. Ew. My hair looks like poo-poo doo-doo right now, and we're gonna see the real deal. Oh yes. Okay, so this is me when I wake up. Roots are could use a little shampooing. I'm gonna brush my hair out. Ends first, guys. Brush the ends first. Yeah, she needs a wash. Like, see, like my roots are kind of greasy, and then my ends, though, look pretty good. This is the deal. This is how my hair is, and we will see how it looks without washing my ends and washing my roots. Okay, cool. Okay, so this thing feels so weird, you guys. I'm actually so curious to see if any water got in here or what the deal is. I have my hair dryer like ready, set, go. We're about to tackle the situation. Now I want to explain to you guys exactly how we got here. Let's take a journey back in time. Also, I love. So the first thing that this packet says to do is you put your hair in a ponytail, and you're supposed to kind of just jam your hair into this little tube. The material is water resistant, and then it has kind of a pull tie that you secure your ponytail at the base with, and then you just simply wrap it around and you tie it up, and then you have this weird bun on the top of your head. The next thing that you are gonna do is grab your favorite shampoo. I will reach for the new BRIOGEO Superfood shampoo and conditioner. I'm gonna start with the shampoo because really we're just focusing on the roots today, but this is such an incredible, gentle shampoo, and it makes your hair smell yummy and delicious. It does not overstrip it, but it cleanses the hair beautifully so you don't have greasy hair. It's just the perfect everyday shampoo. Because my ends are swirled up in the little bun, I didn't condition because I personally only like to condition the ends of my hair. But if I had conditioned, I would have used my Be Gentle, Be Kind Kale and Apple Replenishing Superfood conditioner. So I finished up my shower, and then poof, here we are. First off, I actually have hope that this is going to work, this whole thing. Like, I feel like this might be a really cool idea. and it might save us a little bit of time. But even if it doesn't, I do want to emphasize that an everyday shampoo that is gentle, that does not, strip away color and is really harsh and irritating is super important to find. And I am in love, like all caps, in love with BRIOGEO's latest addition to their family. You guys know that I'm loud and proud a fan of BRIOGEO. They are a 6-free line, which means it has no sulfates, silicones, parabens, phthalates, DEA, synthetic dyes. They are free of the junk, and I have really seen a tremendous change in my hair since using these products. And I literally, like, even here on my desk, I have my Scalp Revival. This is the world's greatest dry shampoo. I cannot live without it. But I wanted to share their newest addition, which is the Matcha and Apple. It's a gentle superfood. It looks like a cute bottle of juice, healthy for your hair, little dynamic duo, and I am in love. So it has kale, spinach, apple, vitamin C, matcha. There are ingredients in here with purpose. The kale has omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids. You have spinach that is rich in calcium, magnesium. You have other ingredients that are antioxidant and, help to prevent environmental damage to your hair. There's just like such cool thought process behind it. The other thing that's really cool about this shampoo is your hair stays smelling like apples. Like I will actually sit down and be watching a show and my hair will be down and I'm like, my hair smells so good, but in like a fresh, really juicy, good way. And of course, I am sponsored by BRIOGEO in this video and I have a discount code for you guys. It is not an affiliate code. I am not making money off of the code. If you wanna purchase this item in stores, you can always find BRIOGEO in Sephora. But if you wanna purchase online and save 20% off of your purchase, then you can use the code TATI, T-A-T-I, simple as that. I'll have everything listed in the description box below. I love that this is a female-owned brand. I love the owner. I am lucky enough to get to try products first and to kind of take a peek at what's coming. There are a few companies that have my heart that I know I can get the word out about and help, and I love doing that for BRIOGEO, and I'm gonna be a big fan of theirs from today until forever because it really changed my hair, and that's just no BS. Anyway, okay, let's get back into this situation. Let's just take it out and see like what happened. I feel actually like my hair is kind of air dried right here. Like this is gonna be fast if this works out. Ooh, there's a lot of water falling everywhere. This hair is damp. It's not bone dry. This hair right here is a little damp, like almost like a little water got in here, but, ooh, and I feel like I'm gonna damage my hair. You wanna be really careful with your hair when it's wet, that you don't break it, because it's easier to break wet hair than dry hair. Okay. I guess I'm gonna blow dry. I'm pretty certain that my sister stole my Dyson. I want it back. I want it back. Okay, so here's the scoop. I normally like to flip my head upside down, especially when I am drying the roots. The ends are dry. This is so strange. They're like slightly damp where I'm gonna like brush it through and kind of aim the dryer a little bit everywhere. I don't know, I think this might work. Okay, so I'm going to off camera dry my hair. I will be back in a jiffy and we'll chat some more. All right, you guys, so I managed to dry the roots. I just kind of tipped my hair upside down. I dried the roots, but then the ends were kind of a little scraggly and I don't know, they just felt kind of weird because a little bit of the water got on the ends. So then I smoothed everything out and I did take a curling wand and I kind of wrapped it around section by section. I left the ends really straight. That's like my normal thing. And here we are. It's like kind of good, kind of not. I don't know. I feel like this is an emergency item where if you're having a day where you overslept or you have somewhere to be and dry shampoo is just not gonna cut it, because I've been there, you've been there. Like, do you ever have like that regret where you're like, what was I thinking? I really needed to wash my hair, you know, and your hair looks like absolute greasy mess. Like, I have had those moments and I will keep this for that life situation. If I ever need to just throw it in a bun and just wash the scalp, it's kind of cool. So it's great for that. But is it my normal like go-to thing? Do I feel like this is as fresh and good looking as day one? No, not at all. But it's pretty good, you know, right? I was reminded of like Crayola. It's cute, right? It did save time. It fixed my greasy roots, but my hair is not as nice as I like it to be on day one, and that is where we land. I think I will stick with my Be Gentle, Be Kind Matcha and Apple Superfood Refreshing Shampoo and Conditioner on my daily shampoos because it is really gentle and I'm not terribly worried about it stripping my color or over drying my hair, so that is a great little duo. If you're interested, be sure to check out the description box below for the 20% off code. It is simply Tati. Go to BRIOGEOhair.com and you can purchase what you like, try it out. All right, there you have it. I love you guys so much. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm just realizing, like, I looked in the monitor and I'm like, this video A to Z has been 100% makeup free, and I'm kind of loving that. It was actually really nice to just focus on something a little bit different, you know? So there's that, and I love you guys. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button, and if you're not subscribed, then please do subscribe, ring the bell, drop it down to all. I am here Monday through Friday at 10 a.m. PST, and I would love to hang out with you guys again. I am constantly trying new products like this, makeup, trying on makeup, testing weird things, so I hope to see you guys soon, and thanks so much for hanging out with me. All right, I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.